In this video, we will learn a guide to using the Python Package Manager PP on OpenBSD. In this article I wrote on Publish 0x, we will learn the process of installing, configuring, and using the Python PP package on the OpenBSD 7.6 system. Pip is a special program used to install Python packages onto your system. PP is sometimes included automatically when Python is installed on your system, and sometimes you have to install it yourself. However, on OpenBSD systems, you must install PyPI manually. This guide will help you install PP on OpenBSD. Similar to Python programs, you also need to create a symlink for PP.